Hi guys, welcome back. Okay, don't kill me. I'm reviewing two pastel sets in 1 week. I wasn't expecting this set until June 6th and it came way earlier. I got them today. So this set, okay, is the Indra Creative. This is a set that's out of Mexico. It's very hard to find. I found it on Amazon, but you have to dig and dig and dig. I'm leaving the link in the description box below that you can get to this directly, but there's going to be a little bit of a catch and I will show it to you afterwards. So stick around if you want this set. I'll show you how to get it. So it's 36 colors and it's the Macaron set. Macaron. Now before I show you these pencils, let's talk about the tin. Thought the tin was okay. It's personal opinion. I don't think the picture here does justice to these pencils at all. If I was looking at this tin, I might have even passed over it. It is in Spanish, and they say it's a limited edition. I don't know how limited it is. It might be because it's not 100% on Amazon. So, but I do recommend if you're going to make up your mind and get this set, get it. This is brand new on Amazon. The company is brand new on Amazon, and they've got to work out the kinks through Amazon's. It's Punta 4.0. So that's the core. Let's open this up. Suck in your breath. Are these not gorgeous? Oh, okay. Let's take a real look at these. The barrels are square. Get one out. They are square. They're very, like when I was holding it, it's not uncomfortable at all to color with, but they are tiny square barrels. But gorgeous black wood against the pastel. Beautiful. The cores, and I did check. I have this measuring thing. We'll put it on the wide part of the core, and it's measuring 3.94, and I'm sure it is a 4.0. There it is. It's 4.0. So these definitely 4.0 cores. And you can even tell how thick they are. Not one came cracked. Let's put that back. Get out another one to show you. One of the cons of these is they are not marked in any way. Professional color set, creative, and Indra's. And they had all this barrel room to add in a color, and they didn't do it. They didn't name it. There's not even a number on it. So when you're swatching it, it's a guess it or put your own number on it. So that's a con, but not a horrible one because there's only 36 colors. It's not going to be, it was a little bit of a confusion, but not too bad. So let's put these away. I love these. And we're going to take a look at the colors swatched. Okay, I got out my comp and swatch. Indra Creative Limited Edition Pastel 36 colors. Look how beautiful these colors are. And we're going to do some comparing. Now, they had some very unique colors on here, and I will show them to you in a minute. I'm going to get out my original Comp and Swap Marcos. Now, Marcos, remember, is an exact match of Holbein. I just didn't bother putting my Holbein onto swatch. It's the same thing. So here we have the colors, the pinks. Now we know it's not going to match up with these pinks. In fact, it didn't match up with any of these pinks. None of them comped. The closest that came was this one, and it's definitely a different color. It's a different hue. When it came to the oranges, Marcos only has one real orange, and it does not comp completely. Comes close to one. But as you can see, they are not adding up. Let's move it over and see if we can get some yellows in there. Find a match. No. This is the light pink. It's definitely a different color. This is more beige. This is another pink. Let's see if it... Nope. Did not match up. It's another yellow. It's the cream. The cream is close to the cream of this, which is the Holbein cream. It's lighter. Their color is lighter than Marcos, but very close. Remember, we're dealing with hues and different tones, and it is a different tone. So that's good. The greens did not match up. Nope. No, these blues are not comping, which is good. We don't want to comp on cheap sets. We don't want doubles. Nope. Nope. The lilacs are very close. Okay, here we have two colors that the Logan and the lilac are very close. This is a little bit darker. This is a little bit darker. And you'll get that. They're just got a little bit more pigment in them or a little darker tone on it. They would, if you have both sets, they'll look very nice together because you can make a gradient. So, and then here on the bottom, is there any comps on here? I would expect there to be some. Nope. Nope. So let's talk about something in this set. They've got a pastel brown. This is beautiful. This is not in any other pastel set that I have found. You might find it in Holbein. If I dug through my entire 150 Holbeins, you might find it in there. But as of the budget sets, this is unique. It's gorgeous. I cannot wait to use this color. And this color, wait, where is it? This color is very unique too. And why I say that, it is a aqua, a light aqua, but it hails a little bit more on the greener side. So in where you have a lot of the light aquas hailing towards the bluer side, you've got this with the green in it. And in fact, in different lighting, let's see, I'll put this on. Sometimes this works. In different lighting, it's either a green or an aqua. So I love this color. This is one that's getting pulled out. It's got a beautiful gray. It's like a kind of like a periwinkle gray. Beautiful, but it's not periwinkle. It does not match up with Prismacolor periwinkle. So love it. Love the colors. Now for the Astra set that I did the other day, do they match up? And it was yes and no. They're coming from two different countries. This is a Mexican set. This came from Poland. So I would hope they wouldn't match up. They came close with the green yellows. They came close with a couple of the blues, but not that close. You could see that this and this matched up. That's about it. Still, this is really nice, but it doesn't completely match with that color. Oh, can you see it? This was theirs and theirs. I would say they were equal when it comes to being smooth. I would think that they felt about equal. It does not say if it is a wax or an oil. I'm going to guess wax because you get a lot of wax out of Mexican sets. They do come in. Where China sets, I'm going to always go with the oil over the wax because it's more common in China. In Mexico, a lot of the sets come in and they are wax sets. So I'm going to guess that this is a wax set. So you do have some comps in it. These two are close. This is a little bit lighter than this, but you could tell that they're, close in color. And you're going to get that. Colors, everybody's vying for the prettiest colors. So if you got the Astra set, it's still got a lot of unique colors in it, but you might find some that are matching to the Astra set. Just the way it is. If you've got the Marco set, you got plenty to work with if you want more pastels. Now, as far as their colors on the Indra set, I would say these two colors are a little bit too close for my taste. I would have liked if there was a different hue in between these. It's not easy when they make them close. In the set that I'm doing with Andy, we even found some that were a little bit too close to call. Some of their pinks, I probably would have taken out one of their pinks, probably this one, because while these are three different pinks, they're so close that you really have to look in the light, depending on what light you've got. Just tiny bit different. So if I was doing this set, I probably would have taken out one of these pinks. In fact, just this week, Andy and I took 5 colors out of the set we're doing together because we just felt that they were just too close. to other colors in it. Those are basically the colors that are really too close. There's two of them. That's the story on the Indra set. I want to show you the blendability on it. I was really super happy. Look how beautiful this blended. And this is why I felt like it was a wax set, because I got no line. And they did blend up like they were wax. They blended up like they were batter instead of on top of each other like cellophane. So really happy with that. Now let's talk about how to get this set, because okay, I'm going to leave you a link down in the description, and now we're going to go into my personal Amazon, and I'm going to just put the camera up to the screen. Okay, I hope there's not too much of a glare off the screen. So here is my Amazon, and here are the pencils. Indra Macaron pencils set. Okay, this is where the link that's going to be in my description is going to send you to. And when you go to buy it now, you're not going to see it there. And this is because they are so new that they're not in the system yet. What you have to do is see all buying options. Push that. Once you see that this is them, the price is $29.99. They are not set up with Prime. It's $9. Where does it say it? So when you add to cart, I have like 50,000 things in my cart. I don't want to add it to my cart. But it's not free shipping. They should have made it free shipping, but it's $9. So the set is $39 altogether. I believe that it's a good price for pencils. Would I say it is the best price in the world? No. So now, would I choose the Astra set over this set? I don't know. They have different colors in it. For ease of getting, I think I would go with this set, but the Astra set also has a lot more pencils in it. It's 50 versus, 36 colors. Really delicious set. Blendability is beautiful. Core size is nice. Did I tell you guys about the core? Okay, so I know I told you about the core being 4, but I don't remember whether I told you this or not. The wood that goes around the barrel, this is what it looks like. Okay, and then you put your cores in it, close it up, and your cores are inside, and then they cut and they shape the pencil. Okay? Andy was nice enough to send this to me. On this, their wood is extremely tiny. So if I took a cross section of this, you could see it on, the wood would be very small. Does this matter? Well, it might feel a little thin in your hand, although the core is very thick, but I wouldn't be throwing these around. And I'm not saying that they're going to shatter, because there's glue in there and there's probably protection. And I don't know, the wood on here is that black wood. I don't know whether this is a harder wood than this, but probably more expensive. The black wood, I would imagine, is more expensive because there's less protection on the core. And you'll see what I mean. I would just be careful with this set. This is not the set that I would be chucking your pencils at your husbands when they piss you off. Go for a bigger set like Naomi or Deli. Those are good chucking pencils. Nothing will happen to them if you just toss this at them. So that ends my review. If you have any questions or comments, just put them in the comment section. Or if you need to talk to me, you can always write to me an email, not a problem. My email is in the description box below. Remember, we will be doing the class this week. It'll be towards the end of the week, Friday or Saturday. If you want to get the paperwork for the color blending class, the link is in the description. In fact, everything is in the description. Just read the description. And I will see you guys in my next video. Take care. Bye-bye.